it's super rare if that's ever an issue. You see the camera? Say bye-bye. What's up, shawties? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday and I decided to vlog a little bit of what it looks like me going into my work day, and we have some fun, exciting things happening today, and I'm going to show you guys that a little later. But I am at work. It is summertime. I do work at a school, so it's not like my usual schedule, so I didn't have to be here as early. And our building is actually closed for about a month, so I'm at another school temporarily, and it's my first day here, so we're gonna see what it's looking like, what the setup is, where they're gonna have me working. So this is gonna be interesting. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I am running on fumes right now. I actually got some good sleep, but I just feel tired. I did a lot yesterday, so I feel like my body and my mind is just a little tired. But hopefully your week is off to an awesome start. Hopefully you have a productive Monday. So yeah, let's go in here and get some work done. Okay, so it is a few hours later and I came home, but then I realized that we still needed a few more groceries. So me and the kiddos are about to head out to the grocery store, grab a few things, and I am starving. So hopefully I don't just pick up everything in sight, because really they say the golden rule is to not go, I can't talk, not to go grocery shopping while hungry. But I didn't want to just like eat some chips or anything. So hopefully I do right. I stick to the list. I get what we need and we could go. Right?
Yep.
She thinks she grown because she's sitting up front. Like, this is so new. We officially allowed her to start sitting in the front seat when she turns 10. And it's been so weird. Like, she be all in the way.
Hey, Mommy.
My purse don't have a home anymore. My purse used to sit right here. Now I gotta put my purse in the bag.
You know, there's this thing called...
Which is?
But I can only sit in the front though. I only have a couple years.
Yeah, you got a few years and then you'll be sitting in the front.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta turn the camera on so we can see Bracy.
Oh,
Hey, Mommy, but you can put your purse right here.
No, by your feet, my purse does not go right there. And then look at the Bracy. Say hi, Brace. You like what?
Right.
All right, so let me stop playing and let's go, because I'm trying to make this a quick trip so I can get back and eat.
Hey.
No.
That's why I'm gonna drive this. I'm gonna drive this.
Yeah.
Hi guys. And by the way, this even like this on Instagram. And also this other this mine. But also if I put this week, a different days we can eat these.
Tracy's corner. This is a bucket.
Let me see now.
You fine. Right?
But I don't know how it tastes. I might don't want
Yeah, so stick to that one. Oh no, that's special. Unless you...
The other side
Oh
probably.
yeah, it's right here. It does. You can put that back. It does.
Oh, okay. I couldn't see it from right here because I had that. It was on that kind.
Oh, mommy, found it. Red.
Okay. Can y'all hear that? I like so shiny and glowy. But it is pouring down raining. Ooh. And we are supposed to be going to the gym, but I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. Especially when it starts raining. Like, I just want to be in my bed. So I'm gonna push through though. I'm gonna get dressed really quick. And we're gonna knock out the gym. The good thing about our gym is that it has a kids club, so the kids get to go and play and all that stuff while we work out. And usually I do classes. I prefer classes only. I really don't like just trying to work out by myself. But there wasn't a class that I really was interested in since we were going earlier. So I guess I'm just gonna have to figure it out. But they do have a little cinema area. You can like get on a treadmill and like elliptical and a few different things like that and watch a movie. So hopefully it's a good movie. Maybe I'll just do that and stretch really good and do a few weights. We'll see. And let's see. Why can't I talk today? But we'll see if I actually capture some footage. It just depends on like how many people around and stuff. I like to be mindful, so I'm not capturing anybody in my videos. So anyhow, let me hurry up. Bye. locking into my fearless journey once again. I signed up for swimming lessons. The month of July, I will be taking swimming classes for 4 weeks, twice a week, and I'm so excited. I actually signed up for the intermediate class. Now, I know how to swim a little bit, okay? I know how to swim a little bit, but it's a few things naturally I need to improve on, like learning how to tread water for one, just building my endurance for two, and just, you know, learning how to improve my technique. And I didn't realize until the last vacation. So we just came back for another mini vacation last week, and I went all out. I was getting on water slides. I was, you know, doing breathing contests and all that type of stuff, going underwater. And I have not done that in years. And I realized that I wasn't doing it because of a fear. Like, being a Black woman, I'm always thinking about my hair. Now, mind you, I've had locks for 7 years now, but still always thinking about messing up my hair or hair maintenance in general when it comes to the water and chlorine and all of those things. And I didn't realize how much the fear really held me back from just kind of enjoying the pool more. Now, I love the pool. When it comes to the summer, catch me in the pool all the time. But I be chilling in the pool, like doing cute little swimming. I don't, you know, I'm not diving, any of that stuff. So I'm excited. Hopefully you stay tuned. I am going to be sharing more about this journey in my next video for Sunday. So make sure you tune in for that. But wish me luck.
Longer than I thought.
What you mean?
I thought
My class was at 8 o'clock.
I thought it ended at 8:30.
Yeah. And then I had to change and drive back home.
Oh yeah.
You did this? That's all it is.
Mom, I'm gonna get your video. Ready? How is the lamb sauce with that? Here's mommy. And what you learn at swim class?
That's
Yeah,
all up in the water.
You have fun? You have fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mommy, what are lamb chops from? A lamb?
Mm-hmm.
What is a lamb again?
Animal.
What does it look like?
You should look it up.
I forgot.
Look it up.
Oh.
See a picture of it.
A lamb. A lamb.
They look similar to sheep.
I missed that part. Is sheep even? Can you eat sheep?
Mm-hmm. You could technically eat any animal for food.
So you can eat a goat?
Yeah.
Ew. You can eat a rooster? No. You can eat a dinosaur? You can eat. Did you eat a horse?
so hungry right now.
I can eat a horse. You know that slang? Cause like it was like this thing where like
I'm gonna swallow my pride. Say I'm sorry. Stop pointing fingers. The blame is on me. I want a new life, and I want it with you. And you feel the same. Don't ever let it go. You gotta believe in the spirit of love. And we're here always. We don't hurt anymore. Don't have to believe our love terminal. I'm down on my knees, begging you.
he needs some milk.
Woo! Apologize. He's so jaded. That's how women apologize.
What happened?
He wasn't acting right. He better act right, but they better pour out their hearts.
I have a hole in my foot. Look, it's like bleeding. Or something. And it like itches or hurts. Candy.
Mommy, can washing the dishes be my new chore? I like washing dishes.
Yeah.
I feel like washing dishes. This bowl of this.
My goodness. I'm gonna have to wash it. I'm gonna wash it up. Just use to wash the regular thing. Pour the water out first. No, stick that in the thing for the water. Alright y'all, that is the end of this video. Me and hubby about to sit down, eat, chit chat, catch up, all the things before we call it a night. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned for my little briefing of my first week of swim lessons in my next video. Talk to you later. Bye.